Well, if you are a OnePlus Nord user, chances are you must be facing some of the issues like the infamous tint one and the bad image quality with front-facing cameras in daylight as well as in low-light scenarios. What's going on everyone? This is your host Manik, welcome to another video. So a new update for OnePlus Nord in the form of OxygenOS 10.5.5 is rolling out with a bunch of bug fixes here and there. So let's get into it and find out if it really makes a difference. So first of all, this update is rolling out in batches. So you can either wait for the OTA or use Oxygen Updater application. So download the OTA, then go to settings, click on system, choose system updates from the list, and now click on this gear icon on the top right corner. Now choose the zip file you just downloaded. And it will start installing the update. So wait patiently for the next few minutes and then reboot your device. And it's done. You have rebooted to the latest version. Now let's have a look at the changelog of this update. First of all, coming to the system part, the issues with OnePlus Notes app has been fixed and it used to continuously drain battery in background. So you can expect less battery drain, though I am still testing it out. After that, it is mentioned that the reboot issue with freeform windows has been fixed. Other than that, it also mentions about the new volume adjustment interface, which I just don't see with this update. So don't expect much changes there. Coming to the major focus of this update, and that is this camera. So we have had quite bad images in general with this front-facing camera. They used to turn out grainy overall and not up to the mark. And as per this changelog, they have fixed it now. So I put the front-facing camera to test, and in low-light scenarios, I do see less grain in overall output. The images are brighter than before, but the amount of details are still less than what it should have been in the first place. I do expect them to improve this even more with future updates though. Apart from this, we have fixes for macro camera, and as per OnePlus, they have fixed color accuracy issues and the image clarity too. So here are some of the samples, and honestly, I just don't see much difference. The images still look washed out like they used to, and the colors are purely bad, as you can see in these images. I might be nitpicking, but that is what this update says. So I'm just sharing my opinion after initial testing. And I'll update you guys soon, so stay tuned and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. One thing that I felt after this update has been improved is the battery life. So in my initial testing, I found the battery drain to be lower than before. And the system seems to have better optimization for standby drain. Though I am still testing it out, and the changelog also claims to have improved that. And they've also mentioned improved charging experience, and I don't see any changes here and there. So maybe it's under the hood, who knows. And as I said in my previous videos, I am tracking the benchmark scores too from time to time to see if there is an actual improvement, and honestly, there is. Look, the Geekbench scores from when I first got the device to this date. The multi-core scores and even the single core scores have been improved. And we started off with 616 and now it's at 620, whereas the multi-core score has been improved to 1967. And these might not be that huge in terms of numbers, but the optimizations are being done, so I'm happy with that. Anyways, that was it for the changes that have been introduced with this update. So as usual, I'll keep you guys posted as soon as something new comes up. So do like this video if it helps you out and subscribe to stay notified. So I'll see you guys in the next one.